In this video, we will explore Maple's context panel, which is a built-in feature that allows you to perform complex mathematical operations without having to know the corresponding Maple commands. To open the panel, click on this arrow in the top right corner. You will find the page right beside the AI Assistant page. Let's take a look at some examples. Say you want to calculate the derivative with respect to x of z. Watch how the context panel adapts to the content of each line and displays the available operations you can apply. Here, you can see the differentiate option. By selecting x, you not only get the desired result, but Maple also provides the exact command needed to use the same operation on future functions. For the second example, see how I graph this function in 2D. There are two ways to do this in Maple. You can either click on 2D plot or use the plot builder. For this example, I will use the plot builder. By modifying the view for axis 1, the x-axis, you can watch the graph adjust to display a better view near the origin. Next, try graphing in 3D. The graph generated by the 3D plot button allows for various customizations. For instance, you can change the style to surface, the color to blue, and the axis to normal. You can also click and drag this graph around to view it from all directions. After making all these changes, you can export the graph to different formats for future use. As our fourth example, look at what happens when a matrix is selected. The context panel immediately offers common matrix operations, such as finding the eigenvalues. You can also calculate the reduced row echelon form, the REF of the matrix, by looking under solvers and forms. If you need other properties, check under queries to see the dimensions and the rank of the matrix right away. For the last example, see how to solve this equation for x. You can find the general solutions instantly by selecting the Solve option in the panel. In this video, you've learned how to utilize the context panel to perform operations on different Maple expressions.